If then else statement. If then else statement is two-way decision making statement that depends on a given condition. If then else statement two-way decision making statement है बिकॉज इसमें यूज़र कंडीशन के ट्रू होने पर भी बताता है कि क्या करना है और कंडीशन के फॉल्स होने पर भी बताता है कि क्या करना है. So now we will try to understand the working of if then else statement by its syntax. So there are two syntax of if then else statement. First one is if condition then statement or set of statements else statement और set of statements. Means अगर if condition true है तो then कीवर्ड के बाद जो स्टेटमेंट है वो एग्जीक्यूट होगी. अगर if कंडीशन false है तो then कीवर्ड वाली स्टेटमेंट जो होगी वो इग्नोर हो जाएगी और else कीवर्ड के बाद जो स्टेटमेंट होगी वो एग्जीक्यूट होगी. द सेकेंड सिंटेक्स इज़ if condition then line number else line number. मीन्स अगर if कंडीशन ट्रू है तो then कीवर्ड के बाद जो लाइन नंबर है वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा. बट अगर if कंडीशन फॉल्स है तो else कीवर्ड के बाद जो लाइन नंबर है वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा. So let's take an example to understand the working of if then else statement. So the program is write a program to take marks from user and tell the user he is pass or fail. In line 10, we used CLS command to clear the screen. In line 20, we take input from user like enter marks and enclose this statement within double quotes because we want to show enter marks as it is on screen. After input statement, we enter semicolon to show question mark during execution. After semicolon, we declare a variable like m to store the result of this statement in memory. Now control moves on line 30 and here we apply if then else statement as if m is greater than equal to 40 then print pass, but if m is less than equal to 40 then print else statement like fail on the screen. So in this way program will terminate or end easily. Program 3.5. Write a program to find the larger of two numbers. The program should get the numbers from the user. So let's start the program. In line 10, we used CLS command to clear the screen. In line 20, we take input like enter first number and enclose this statement within double quotes to show as it is on screen. And after that, we put comma for avoiding question mark during execution, and after that we declare a variable like a to store the result of this statement in RAM. Now control moves on line 30 and here we input second number as input, enter second number and enclose this statement within double quotes, and after that put comma, and after that declare a variable like b to store the result of this statement in RAM. Now control moves on line 40 and here we apply if then else statement as when if a greater than b condition becomes true, so execute then statement and print a on screen. But if A is less than B, condition becomes false. So execute else statement and print B on screen. Now control moves on line 50 and program will terminate or end line by line.